Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. What do you do if you want to use an ND filter and you don't have a smartphone? Well, you use a chart. And in this video, I'll tell you how you could download this chart for free. As you probably know, lately I've done a number of videos on different ND filters, how to use an ND filter, and so on. And one thing I wasn't really aware of, a lot of people don't have smartphones. And I've been getting a few emails from people asking me what they could do. They want to use an ND filter, but they don't have a smartphone to use an app to calculate the right exposure for a specific type of ND filter. Well, you have to do what we did in the old days. In the old days, we used a chart. And I figured I might as well create my own chart. And you could download this for free. In the description below this video, I'll have a link to my website where you could download this. And I'll also have links to those videos in case you haven't seen them. There's been a number of them on different ND filters. Anyway, to use the chart, super easy. Just frame a scene, take a photo without a filter on, and note what the shutter speed is. And then what you would do is you'd go in the left-hand column and find the shutter speed you're using, and then go along the columns and find the number of stop ND filter you're using. So if you're shooting at, let's say, 1/125th of a second, you're using a 10 stop ND filter, the chart says you should use an 8-second shutter speed for that filter, and so on. So you could very easily find what shutter speed you should use for the specific ND filter that you're screwing on your lens. I have it going from 1 stop ND filter all the way to 16 stops. As you know, I recently did a video demonstrating a 16 stop ND filter. That's why I went all the way to 16. And one other question I've got now and then about these ND filters, you can stack them. So if you stack a 10 stop ND filter with a 4 stop ND filter, you'll have 14 stops, and you would just calculate it to 14 and you'll be good to go. So again, in the description below the video, look down there for a link to my website and you'll be able to download this for free, immediate download, no big deal. Don't ask for your name or anything like that. You could just download it and have it. While you're down there looking for the link to this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you get updates when I post new videos. Also, share and like this videos, and follow me on Instagram. I am at Anthony Morganti on Instagram, and I'll have a link for that in the description below as well. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.